constant in life is change. This famous quote aptly defines how it is important for even the best to evolve to stay at the top. With this theme, Imtex is being held from January 21st to the 26th, 2010 in a new avatar. Imtex Forming 2010 along with Tooltech 2010. Imtex Forming 2010 and Tooltech 2010 had an impressive inauguration on the 21st of January 2010.
This opens up two opportunities. Improvement in the technological capabilities of the metal forming machines manufactured in India and development and introduction of new metal forming technologies.
I hope that we can sit together, formulate ways and means, come up with research and development programs, come out with innovative technologies, work on the lightweighting concept to make sure that this happens very, very quickly and we can take advantage of the large machine tool manufacturer base that we have within the country.
Imtex Forming featured live recent trends in all forming technologies in metals, plastics and advanced materials from all across the globe. The displays comprised impressive technologies with high-quality aesthetics, design and other value-added features designed to enable competitiveness of world-class standards. Tooltech 2010 featured newest developments in tooling technologies to enable precision finish in all metalworking applications, in particular for all forming applications. The exhibition was a technology demonstrator of the extensive range of innovations and refinements in the product segment of forming technologies. Imtex Forming 2010 was clearly a showcase of contemporary technologies.
Yes, this is a technology show. It is to show the latest, and consumers need to come to a place to see it which is conducive for it.
Imtex Forming 2010 and Tooltech 2010 had the presence of 428 companies from India and 25 overseas countries spread across 305 exhibitor stands. 322 companies displayed their forming manufacturing technologies in Imtex Forming, while the balance 106 showcased their tool accessories in Tooltech.
The level of exhibits is really superb. Whether it's Indian companies or foreign companies, they all look on par. Very impressive technology, and I think the visitors who are coming here, they're lucky. They don't have to travel to another country to see a show like this.
The exhibition was spread across 25,000 square meters of gross area in the three large halls of BIEC.
It's setting an example to everybody else in India that you can have world-class exhibition facilities in India if you set your heart and your mind to it. BIEC is really a role model.
The Indian participation was a near representation of the entire metal forming machine tool industry in India. Key highlights of the Indian entourage was the presence of 50 SSI manufacturers from all across the country.
Well, as I look at local Indian manufacturers, I can see that they are very in tune with the trends of the needs of maintaining competitiveness and productivity throughout the marketplace. And that's very obvious with the products that I see that are manufactured in India, and also the technology that's being exported into India to assist with those efforts.
India is a technology maker, and they are high quality manufacturers.
A major facet of the global presence was that of the four country groups from leading metal forming machine tooling countries of Belgium, China, Germany and Japan. Germany was the largest and accounted for almost 1/3 of the total overseas participation.
The German companies are world champions and they show the latest technology that they have to offer globally. So from that angle, here at this fair, you can see the best of the best.
The first Imtex fair on foaming manufacturing technologies received a highly encouraging response from the entire engineering industry spread across India and overseas. The exhibition was host to 44,000 business visitors.
For me, a visit to an exhibition is always a learning experience, because every time I come here, I've seen the extent of the progress which has been made.
Business visitors spanned all levels, comprising CEOs and entrepreneurs, senior executives, corporate planners and strategists, R&D specialists, shop floor engineers, supervisors and technicians.
This kind of exhibitions throw open to the customers a variety of alternative options, that you're able to get the same product at a cheaper price at the same time at the same quality levels. So I think that way it is a good eye-opener.
Besides a host of academicians and young engineering students.
Coming here, seeing all these kind of robotic and sheet metal forming, all this kind of stuff, it's really good for it. But facilities, even though we can't incorporate it in a college, but facilities there like this will really help more number of students, and request all students of all engineering colleges to visit once here.
The exhibition was graced by a host of dignitaries from union and state governments, policy-making institutions, as well as members of the defense services and the diplomatic corps.
The quality of the show here is most impressive, and I am sure from year to year this will grow in popularity among all people involved in machine tools industry.
With a canvas of visitors interacting with exhibitors, the outcome was obvious buoyancy in overall business enhancement, with confirmed business orders worth 2,552 million rupees and a generation of high-potential business inquiries to the tune of 12,201 million rupees. A new benchmark was set for the forming segment of the machine tool industry.
This time it's only a focused exhibition with forming and welding, unlike earlier times when you used to have other machinery manufacturers also. So the crowd that has come this time is very, very focused, and the quality of visitors has been the best up till now in the last 4 or 5 Imtexes that we have had.
So far the experience with the exhibition has been very good. We've had a lot of traffic with companies that we had not come across previously.
New customers, new inquiries. It was never like this before. And I can say it was absolutely successful for us.
Our business is very good. We get great success.
We were extremely happy that a lot of people have visited us.
The response is very good.
The Imtex is like a pilgrimage. One cannot miss it.
If you want to conquer tomorrow, you have to start today. This adage summed up the mood at Imtex Forming 2010, where 6 days of participation is expected to have a lasting impact on the future of the forming industry. We will see you again in 2012.